Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Oppo A5 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take a screenshot in Oppo A5 smartphone. First of all, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. I want to take a screenshot of the settings page. You should use power button and volume down button together for taking a screenshot. Power button is on right side. Volume down button is on left side. Just press both the buttons together. The screenshot is captured. Again I am doing. You should carefully do it, otherwise the volume down will be pressed. So carefully do it. Yes, screenshot is captured. You can edit it later. And there is another method too for taking a screenshot. This is a stylish method of taking screenshot. First of all, like first method, go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot. I want to take a screenshot of this page. You should use your 3 fingers sliding along the screens. The screenshot is captured. Again doing. Yes, screenshot is captured. Now you can edit your image. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, goodbye.